the interesting thing during the design was not only were we designing a medical facility that had to meet requirements for surgery, such as lighting levels and such, but also the IT television requirements for broadcasting this, a certain amount of light and the issues of reflectance of the light and such. So we were working with two different elements and merging those together during that 5 months.
The budget was challenging as well. The initial discussions made it apparent that technology was going to consume a sizable portion of the budget, more than any of us had really anticipated. But the way that the team dealt with this is we basically developed a coping mechanism where we prioritized the owner's desires into 3 categories: what needed to be done now in order to incorporate in the space to be open, what could be incorporated but we could do later, and what the owner could wait or decided to pass on. By placing all the desires on a sorted common list, it allowed the team to work together to provide the best value for the owner given the funds available, almost a